Within our One Mallorca boutique, we're pleased to present you with a selection of exclusive properties for exclusive clients just like you. Surrounded by huge amounts of impeccable garden areas, full of stunning nature, this house has beautiful views, a large swimming pool and a very large outdoor rest area. The interior is decorated with a comfortable and easy to maintain space in mind, shaping a modern family environment. It's not difficult to imagine wonderful evenings in which guests flow comfortably through the main rooms to the pool and the garden, from where you can enjoy the calm and the breathtaking views of the sunset and the stars on the island of Mallorca. One Mallorca, protecting the interests of our clients since 2013.